Hey everyone, Danny Max here with Max Design. This is our Curve Duo photo booth. It's our best seller. This is our XL version, which has the larger head unit, which will fit the 12.9 iPad. Why do we call this our Duo photo booth? Really simple. The top unit comes off, everything's battery powered, and now this becomes a roaming photo booth. So you can roam around your event, do photos during cocktail hour, or just a walk, get on the dance floor. Comes with a stand. The stand has a tilting head, so we can get kids in the photos, really tall people. The whole booth assembles really easy. These polycarbonate channels pull off with Velcro, and on the inside we have internal latches. So there's no screws or tools, nothing to lose. You can have this set up in about 2 minutes. There are various softwares that are connected, which will actually control our LED lights. This one that I'm running today is Curator software. So if you notice, if I touch the screen, you have your option to then choose what sort of photo you want to take. So I'm just going to click photo, but I want you to see that the light actually turns white. So it's all controlled via Bluetooth. This can be viewed on our website at dannymax.com.